Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe a development in your country like shopping center, park, etc. What is the development? When you heard about it? How did it influence you? I reside in Amritsar, a historic city in northwest India that is renowned for its cultural diversity and is the location of the Golden Temple. One area of the city has recently seen a stunning transformation thanks to a large, contemporary park known as Green Haven. When the local government revealed plans to develop a green area that would act as a recreational and environmental center for Amritsar residents a few years ago, that's when I first learned about Green Haven. Located on the city's outskirts, this park was created with jogging paths, a sizable lake with boating access, kid-friendly play spaces, and lovely gardens that showcase the native plants. The goal of the project was to establish a natural haven where kids, families, and visitors could relax and take in the serene surroundings. Shortly after its completion, I went to Green Haven and was blown away by the park's tranquility and beauty. For myself and my family, it rapidly became a favorite weekend destination because of its open spaces and picturesque paths, which provide a welcome respite from the busy city life. The growth of the park has had a significant impact on Amritsar residents like me. For me, it's turned into a place to unwind, work out, and enjoy nature, things I thought our city lacked. It's encouraging to see so many people jogging, walking, and spending time in nature, and Green Haven has inspired many locals, including me, to emphasize health and outdoor activities. Additionally, by hosting frequent eco-friendly activities and providing informative boards about local plants and ecosystems, Green Haven has contributed to increasing community understanding of environmental issues. In addition to making our city more attractive, this park serves as a reminder of how crucial it is to protect natural places, particularly in urban settings. Green Haven has given Amritsar a feeling of modernism and environmental awareness, and I believe it will inspire the creation of other green areas around the nation and city.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.